All right, folks, another spectacular day of trading volume. Okay, let's get into it, folks. Today is Thursday, October 5th. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. Yes, the NASDAQ. This is the most profitable symbol on the planet. I don't care what anybody else says. Okay, the moves that are taking place on this symbol simply defy belief. And yes, you can trade the NASDAQ on any asset class, whether you trade Forex, whether you trade futures or stocks and options, it works on all markets. And today I actually want to show you guys and gals two different setups, all right, and really how to qualify your trading setups and your entries, because when you get good at being very selective with your trading entries, you're then going to achieve trading consistency. They go hand in hand, okay? You cannot be a cowboy trader who's taken every single entry and exit that prints on your chart, all right? You got to be slow and steady, and the truth is, as you guys and gals know, the most profitable traders in the world are the ones that are the most disciplined. Now, case in point, I want to take you to the starting point of today's crazy price action. All right, let me take you to the opening trend change. Yup, you guessed it. We have the beautiful volume master indicator layered on top of the chart, and this thing identified a perfect trend change to the short side. Why short? Because obviously, guys, you can see if this is the market open, we opened green, right? The market was telling us that the volume is printing green, 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 and then boom, you can see here the color band changes from green into red at this exact moment in time. This tells you that the sellers are now in control on this trend change. Makes sense? And yes, this market plunged for 680 ticks straight down. But you guys and gals know what I'm going to say. We did not get any retracements across the way on this short. And listen, that's part of the game, right? You simply have to be on the lookout. You have to pay attention. And more important than anything else, you cannot take it personally just because you didn't get a retracement. All right? Maybe the market didn't want to give you a retracement. But I'll tell you why. The most disciplined traders in the world, aka the most patient traders in the world, are always going to be rewarded. Okay? Because check this out. Not even 90 minutes after the open, the master indicator turned green. You guys can see this, right? The color band changes from this beautiful red sell-off into a nice green turning point, letting us know that once again, the trend change has been identified. Okay, and what I'm going to say now should not be new. If this is new to you, then shame on you, because you have not been paying attention and you have not been watching any of the videos. All right, I'm showing you guys a system that is legit. I mean, this is the real deal, and this technique works, guys and gals. All right, so anyway, the trend change is bullish, right? First thing we want to do is what? We want to see the market establish a bit of an uptrend. All right, it has to move up, proving to us that the uptrend and the new direction, aka the new trend, which is bullish, is real, right? This is how we know, because the market immediately starts a nice upward momentum. But then what's even more important is we want to see the market retrace, dip back, and give us one of these. Okay, you already know this is the perfect retracement. I mean, this master indicator is nailing it on a daily basis. And when I say you're going to get 1 to 2 retracements almost every day, I'm not joking, man. I'm proving this to you in front of your face on a daily basis. Anyway, how I like to play this trade is I look to go long on the open of the next bar, and my stop loss gets placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips underneath the signal bar's low. That's it. That's all I'm looking for, right? This setup right here is all I look for every single day on this master volume indicator. And once I'm in this trade, folks, it comes down to trade management. Okay, I typically like to sell half of my position at 1 to 1, which is approximately right there. And then on the second half of the position, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 5. I mean, let me squish this in here. You can see, I bet you guys don't believe me, but 1 to 5 works a shocking amount of the time. Look at this. 1 to 5 got hit today. Even in spite of a counter trend change, we still hit 1 to 5 on the original long from all the way back here. Okay, so I don't care what anybody else says, man. I'm convinced that volume is the only indicator that works. And the ability to rely on just one very good indicator will make all the difference in the world, as opposed to those traders who rely on 10 or 12 or 15 goofy, ugly indicators that make no sense. I mean, man, I've seen some charts from people that call me up off the internet. Their charts look like absolute dog crap. It looks terrible, right? Now, for me, I like to keep my charts simple. I imagine a lot of you guys and gals out there do as well. And I believe this trading system and this trading strategy is mechanical, it's rule-based, but more important than anything else, it just follows common sense, man, right? I mean, listen, look, let's replay this again, all right? Wait for the trend change, right? Sometimes you're going to get a retracement, sometimes you don't. Now, I like to wait for retracements, but you don't have to. I mean, if you're a cowboy, jump in on this short. It's a super high risk trade, which I don't want to play, but I guess if you just want to follow the colors, you can, but not me. I like to wait for the retracements, and I know that if I'm patient and disciplined enough, the market is going to reward me, with beautiful retracements almost on a daily basis. And what I want to add is this was a 280 tick winner. How many of you guys and gals have made 280 ticks in a single trade, right? I'm willing to bet not many. Okay, so congrats to everybody who caught this really nice long. If you were a cowboy today, then, congrats if you caught this short in the morning. Take my hat off to you if you do have balls of steel. Either way, man, no matter how you slice it, being able to grab almost 300 ticks on just a couple of contracts is just insanely profitable, and I cannot wait to see what this master indicator is going to give us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.